here at the Lackawanna Home Builders Association Home Showcase is Kingdom Products, and this is Mr. Kingdom Products, Bart Sacco.
Hi Jackie, how you doing today?
I am well, thank you. Why don't you tell everyone what your business is all about?
Okay, well what Kingdom Products is we're a manufacturer of decorative concrete products. We manufacture color hardeners, release agents, we custom package pigments, we make custom countertop mixes. Anything that you do with basically to decorate standard concrete or masonry is what we do.
And you, as a matter of fact, your product was used on our patio at WNEP TV. We have a beautiful patio with the logo right in the center of it, and we really enjoy that. Yep,
it's a beautiful patio. Emil Guerra was an installer, and all the products were done with integral pigments and custom-made color hardeners to match your logos of the WNEP logo.
That's right, and right now we're going to take a tour of Kingdom Products.
Excellent, let's go.
Well, Bart, you have some great examples of things that some have been done in some homes. Why don't we take a look at them?
Sure. Well, what we have here, Jackie, is this is a combination of a medallion that's been done with integrally colored concrete in the background, and the medallion is done with a combination of acid stains and also acrylic dyes. That's what brings that effect together. I actually have a patio here that I could show you before and after that was done by a housewife. This is out in Clark Summit. This is the before. And then this is after she turned it into stain.
That's gorgeous.
And this is all done with a series of saw cuts and different dilution rates of stain to bring on this type of an effect.
Nice.
We could also do countertops for the kitchen. That's always a nice option. And this is actually a concrete countertop. This is our UPS service counter. And that's all the preparation with the form liners that give us this rock edge. And as the concrete gets placed, gets finished like any other concrete in the world.
Yeah.
And then we bring our specialized decorative effects in at the end when it's in its final setting mode. And that's what brings in the different banding and the different color variations. It's not out of reach for the average person to do it.
Absolutely.
It's fairly economical, and you're not limited by color choice or design or anything, because you're actually making them each one to fit.
Well, here we are in your laboratory, and there's a lot of interesting things that take place here. But what exactly is concrete?
Well, concrete, Jackie, is generally a mixture of Portland cement, sand, and rock.
All right.
There's also some chemical admixtures that go into concrete to help it for reducing water, and also a product called air entrainment, which helps it through its freeze-thaw cycles.
Okay.
The Portland is the binder that sticks to the sand and the rock. Now our sand that goes into concrete is a finely graded product, multiple different grades of sand within it, and this becomes the binder that encapsulates the rock. And then our rock is the same way. There's multiple gradations of rock, so we get a hardening effect between the Portland cement, the sand, and the rock to bind everything together.
I always thought cement and concrete were the same thing.
No, it's actually different. The cement is the glue that holds the sand and the aggregates together, and that's what makes concrete. Well, Jackie, we're entering into our warehouse and manufacturing areas, and this is our 6-color pigment, granulated pigment blending machine.
Wow.
And the pigment is all held in 1-ton sacks, all the different raw colors. They run down through these hoppers, through a series of tubes, into this type of a weigh hopper, and it gets dispensed, and then it gets put into plastic bags. The one thing nice that in this system is we're in the process of cutting down a lot of our environmental waste to our landfills.
Yes.
By using packaging that actually dissolves when it hits water. Well, Jackie, what we have here is we're working on some different materials that are good for wall coatings. This could be used interior or exterior in a basement of a home for a wall, and this is basically a vertical stamp mix that we're bringing to life right now.
This looks like wood.
It sure does. What we use is different texturing tools that are made out of rubber and match, just like we would use for texturing a floor, except they're a little bit smaller, and we use them vertical on a wall. So that'll give us all the texture.
Oh my God, the possibilities with this?
It's anything.
It's
extremely, extremely lightweight in comparison to natural stone. It'll bond to wood, foam, sheetrock, concrete, block, any solid substance that.
Oh my gosh, you could do some really beautiful things in the home.
And this just shows, the same material just on a board that we're using for trial mock-up. But it could show you how far the material is capable of packing out because it's so lightweight.
Well, it does. It creates that realistic. It looks like a big stone, you know.
It really does. But it's you could consider this as a continuous stone system for a wall. where in a cultured stone you have little tiny pieces that go on.
Yes.
This gets plastered as one huge piece, so it's one solid entity on the wall, so you're not going to have the water intrusion and thing like that getting behind it. And the look is endless. You can mix any color, pattern, and texture to come up with whatever really complements your decor the best. Jackie, where we're at now is we're walking through into the manufacturing center, and these are all raw goods that are in the shelves, and these are all the behind-the-scene things that very few people ever get to see within our business.
Right.
What we have here, Jackie, is actually a product that's called Color Hardener. This gets broadcast over the top of wet concrete to do two things to it. It colors the surface and also makes it harder or more dense. The machine that's moving, that's a 50 cubic foot rotary blender, and that's what actually does the main blending of all the cementitious products. The sand and cement goes in through the top, our pigments, our admixtures, our dyes, goes through the complete blending procedure, and then once it's done processing, we put the product back in the tote and it goes to the bagger, and then the product comes out through this bagging machine. It'll put the product into the buckets. You can see the weight going right up. Now we'll double check it and make sure our weight is good. Oh, it does it in like a second and a half. It's done.
Oh my gosh.
Wait till they get in the rhythm and they get it dialed in. It'll blow it off in 10 minutes.